Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to tell you what to do if any application in your iPhone is crashing on launch. So actually this is a very difficult issue to fix, but at first what I recommend doing is to offload or reinstall some some problematic applications. So if for example your application, let it be Brawl Stars. If for you it can be YouTube, Instagram, etc. But let's here still notice this is Brawl Stars. Hold your finger on this application, remove app, delete application, delete, and everything should be nice if you now install this application after restarting your device. If it still isn't, you have to go to the settings over here, scroll down to general, and here tap software update. If you do have here the update 26.2 or 26.1 or even further, update your iPhone immediately because the bug is now fixed. If you have your iPhone still crashing on some applications, you need to do a factory reset, unfortunately, but before that you should do a backup, and if it still doesn't work for you, you need to contact device support. And that's it. Hope it helps you, and goodbye.